Hello guys, welcome to Guide Games YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you some tips if you are using Bolt vehicle app. So first of all, you will have to open your app. As I'm an Indian, Bolt rides are not available here, but still there are some tips that I can tell you. So first of all, click here on account. Once you click on account, here you can see safety option. Simply click here and click here on pickup code and enable this pickup code here. And here you can set time as you need, like I'm setting this time 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. Just allow it. Now what you will get after allowing this, you will verify each trip by matching a unique code with your driver. Then you will feel safer knowing you are in the right vehicle with the right driver, and you can prevent someone else from taking your ride by mistake. So yes guys, basically, suppose you have booked any ride and that man and you will share a unique code so that they can trust that you are the man who were using that app and who has booked this ride. Then just come back and click here on trusted contacts. Now here you can add contacts. Then by clicking here you can add contacts. This is for your security. You can add at least one person that we can call in an emergency. Then flick back. Then here in calendar, we can connect calendar to this app so that the ride will suggest based on calendar events with addresses specified. Basically, you will have to allow this so that all the events will be notified you, and if there is holiday and no ride is available there, then you will be suggested early. This app is showing 143 events in the next year. Calendar events may include additional data such as locations, emails, addresses, or notes. So, yes, guys, you can add full access and you will be suggested about the events. So, these are the tips that I found here. You should definitely allow this. By clicking here, you can see the rides available here. I have not scheduled a ride, that's why it's not showing. Actually, in India, people don't use this app, but here in home, you can see board rides are not available here yet. So yes, these are the tips that I wanted you to tell. So yes, these are the tips that you should know while using Bolt vehicle app. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.